Okay, dear students, we will study one more definition of the oxidation and reduction. Now we can define on the basis of metallic property and non-metallic property. So just see the addition of non-metallic or removal of metallic element is called oxidation. That means if the concentration of non-metal reduces, decreases, then it is called oxidation. Okay, yeah, sorry. If the non-metallic character increases, non-metallic concentration increases, then it is called oxidation. And if the metallic character decreases, then it is called oxidation. In the same way, if the metallic element increases, then it is called reduction. If the non-metallic character decreases, then it is called reduction. So if the concentration of the metal increases, then reduction. If the concentration of non-metal decreases, then it is called reduction. If the concentration of non-metal increases, then it is oxidation. If the concentration of metal decreases, then it is called oxidation. This is the one more definition, one more way. It is not much popular definition, but you should know because it is in your syllabus. Now to clarify this, I will take these two examples. Reaction between copper and oxygen. When copper and oxygen heated together, it gives copper oxide. Now you compare this copper with this copper oxide. What is happening here? There is a addition of oxygen, so it is called oxidation. Now in another way, if take oxygen is nothing, it is a non-metal. Oxygen is a nothing but non-metal. So now you can see there is a addition of non-metal. Concentration of the non-metal increases if you compare with the copper. So there is a addition of non-metal. So whenever the concentration of non-metal increases during the reaction, then this process is known as oxidation. So copper is oxidized to copper oxide because there is a addition of non-metal. Oxygen is non-metal, so there is an increase in the non-metal. That's why it is called oxidation. Now second way, compare this one with this. So this is oxygen. Now it becomes CuO. So what is added together here? Copper, which is metal. So if you compare these two, there is a addition of metal. What is taking place? Addition of metal. And addition of metal, that means concentration of the metal is increasing here. So that's why this process is reduction. So addition of metal is reduction. This is another way to look at it. Same answer you are getting as with the oxygen and hydrogen. Okay. Now take the another example, reaction between zinc oxide and carbon. When heated together, you get the zinc metal and carbon monoxide. Now compare this zinc oxide with this zinc. What is happening here? Here it has got oxygen also. Here it is without oxygen. Oxygen is a non-metal. Oxygen is a non-metal. So the concentration of non-metal is decreasing here. Here the oxygen is there. Here no, there is no oxygen. So removal of non-metal taking place. Removal of non-metal taking place. So removal of non-metal means reduction. So that is why zinc oxide is undergoing reduction. Now when you compare this carbon and this carbon monoxide, here there is no oxygen, here oxygen. So there is addition of oxygen. So in that way you can say carbon is oxidized. Now another definition. What is happening here? Oxygen is a non-metal. So there is a addition of non-metal. There is a addition of non-metal. So whenever there is addition of non-metal, that process is known as oxidation. So here the oxidation of the non-metal are taking place. So in this is the another way to explain the oxidation and reduction. And this oxidation and reduction, you get it confirmed by the previous definition. You will find the same result. So whatever definition you find easier, you can use. Look at the chemical reaction, which definition is suitable. The definition with the hydrogen or oxygen, or definition with the metal and non-metal. There are non-metals, you must remember. If there is a removal of non-metal, means if there is a removal of non-metal like chlorine, bromine, iodine, These are the non-metals. Then you will find this is reduction. If there is addition of non-metal like chlorine, bromine, iodine, and oxygen, then it will be oxidation. Lot of metal is there, sodium, potassium, lot of metals. If you find there is a addition of metal, then it is reduction. If you find removal of metal, it will be oxidation. So in this way we have explained you in a two different way how to find out the oxidation and reduction process. Thank you very much.